Hey there, pioneers! In this video, I'm going to show you how to make copper ingots in Subnautica 2. Now, the copper ingots can't be made inside the simple fabricator in your base. It can be made inside the processor right here. With the use of 3 copper, you can make a single unit of copper ingots, and it will take about 30 seconds of processing to fully make it. The most important thing about getting these ingots is to first know where to find the processor, and don't worry, I'll show you how, in a very short fashion. I personally found this building all the way to the north of the life pod, somewhere around the 350 to 370 meter range in this footage, right? The life pod is all the way south at 370 meters, and the location you're going to go into is this old settlement. Just make your way inside under this building right here, go through the hole from the bottom, make your way forward and go up these ladders here to the right. And here's the processor right here, and thankfully you only need this one processor to get the full blueprint. Alright, about 30 seconds, check the processor output, and that's about it on how to get copper ingots in Subnautica 2. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.